Nice. Okay. So in last session, what we saw, that is the difference between the set and the list, right? And we saw some features inside the array list also. We saw that time there is the list and the set, and after that we saw the array list also. And what are the properties which are present inside the array list, that we saw, right? Today we will see what is meant by the linked list. Okay, what are the things which are present inside the linked list, what are the properties which are present inside linked list, which data structure linked list will follow, that we will see today. Okay, my screen is visible. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, bro. So today we will see the linked list. Where is the linked list? Here. Okay. So if we see the first point, so what is the linked list? So we already knows that how to make the definition and all. If we want to know, it means if we, anyone will ask is what is meant by linked list, what is meant by array list, what is meant by the stack and vector, right? So we can easily say that linked list is a implemented class of the list interface, which is present inside the java.util package, right? We already knows these things. If you want to make the definition, we can simply make it by the hierarchy also, right? Linked list is an implemented class of the list interface, which is present inside the java.util package, right? If we see the syntax of the linked list, so same like array list, linked list also have the same syntax, that is the class linked list implements list and DDQ, and inside the linked list we have a many constructor and many methods also. Okay, inside the linked list we have many constructors and the many methods also. After that, which data structure the linked list will follow? So linked list follows the doubly linked list data structure. Okay, the underlying data structure of the linked list is doubly linked list and the circular linked list. It is a part of the data structure, but I will tell you what is meant by the doubly linked list and how it will be work. Okay, we saw the array list. Inside the array list, which data structure it will follow? That is the growable array, right? Growable array it is following, but inside this one, inside the linked list, which structure it is following? That is the doubly linked list or the circular linked list, right? So now simply we will come to the paint and we will see what is meant by the doubly linked list. So what it will do, it will create one node like that. Okay, it will create a node and like that with the three component. With the three compartment it will create a node. Inside the middle compartment, what it will be do? Okay. Inside the middle compartment, what it will be do? It will add the element. Inside the middle compartment, it will add the element. In the first compartment, in the first part, what it will be add? It is add the previous node address. Okay. Inside the first block, it will add previous node address, and inside the another block, what it will be add? It is the next node address. Okay, this like double linked will work. What it will do, it will create a node. Inside the node we have a three part. Inside the first part it will add previous node address, inside the last part it will add the next node address, and inside the middle one it will add the element. Suppose if we create a program and we will move to the one address. It's just not okay. So simply what I'm doing, simply if you want to create a if I want to create any program on the linked list, so how we will do that? Simply we will go into the main method first, right? And inside the main method, simply we will create an object of the linked list. So how we will create an object? Simply new and linked list, right? Right, and we have to import that also, where it is present inside the java.util package. Okay, collection, all the collection it is present inside the java.util package. Okay, so ll I'm writing, I'm removing this one. And if I want to add any element inside the linked list, so how we will add? Simply with the help of ll dot add we will do. Okay, ll dot add, and simply if we want to write any add any value, so first time I'm adding this string, so I'm simply writing java here. Okay, After that, if I want to add any integer, so suppose add, and here I'm writing 45. Suppose I want to add any character, ll dot add I'm writing simply, and here I'm adding the character like C, right? And if I want to add any float, we will add 1.5, like that we will add. And if we want to simply print, that means system.out, and here simply we print the l. Okay, if you print this one, so see, all the things are printing on the console. That is Java 45C 1.2, 1.5. These are the values which are printing on the console. And how we have added the values inside the linked list object? So simply we have created the LL, means that is the object of the linked list, and after that inside the linked list object we are just adding the values with the help of add method. LL.add, LL.add. Then I have added another value, then fourth value, and then simply we are printing this one. So how it is adding these values, how these are adding the values into the linked list? So simply we will come to the paint. Okay, so what it will do, simply it will create a node like that. It will create a node, and it will inside the node we have a three compartment like. Okay, so how many values we have? That is the four value. So simply I will create a four node here as much as fast. Then this one is the three. Okay, and suppose this one is the four. Okay, so four node we have created. Suppose this this is the first node. No, this first node having the address, that is the 1001. Suppose this having the 1001 address. Okay, node address. After that, this node having the 1002 node address. Suppose this having the 1003. Okay, and suppose this node having the 1004. These are the address which are having our to our node. Okay, this we are only imagining. I don't know this is having or not. Okay, so this is the node address having to our nodes. Okay, now what is the value we have? First value is the Java. So simply we'll copy this from here, and simply we'll go here and we will paste it, or we can write it also here. So first value is the Java. So element will be added into the middle block, right? After that, another value 45. So it simply will come here, and here we will add 45. Okay, this is the another value we have. After that, another value we have, that is the C will be added here, and after that another value we have, that is the float value, that is the 1.5, right? These are the values we have inside the means we have added with the help of add method inside the our collection object, which is the collection object we have created today, that is the linked list. Now what is the another thing? Two compartments is there. There is a previous node address and the next node address. So see, which is the next node to this one? That is the 1002. This is the address of our next node. So what it will do, inside this compartment it will add next node address, and inside this compartment it will add previous node address. So inside the next node address, what will we add? That is the 1002. So here simply it will add 1002. Okay, inside this one previous node address, any previous node is there? No. So what it will be add? Here simply null. What it will be at, if any node will be not there, so it will add null here. Okay, same like this one. What is the which is the previous node here? That is the 1001. Simply it will add 1001 here, and after that, which node is there? That is the 1003 here, 1003. Before that, here we have a simply 1002. Okay, and after that 1004. Same like that, previous node address is 1003, and after that any node is not there. Simply what it will do, it will add here the null value it will be add here. After that, what it will do, it will connect them like this in the both the direction. Like in the both the direction it will connect its values. Okay, same like this one also. this one. Okay, same like this one, it will be add the values, and this one is the both the direction, like this one. This one is the both the direction. Okay, these are in the both direction. This will be the first node, we have first value we added, that is the Java. It will create a node, and inside the middle part it will add Java, and inside the last part it will add next node address, and inside the first part it will be added the previous node address. So this, like if we add the values inside the linked list, so this like it will be add the values. So we, which principle it is following, that is the doubly linked list. Okay, double linked list. After that we have another thing is there also, right? Another thing which is there, that is the circular linked list, which is there, where it is, okay, circular linked list. If we connect the tail and the head of the double linked list, okay, if you connect tail and the head of the double linked list, then we will get the circular linked list. This is the head and this is the tail. If we connect it, both the things, so what we will get, that is the circular linked list. That is the, that is only the double linked list and the circular linked list. Okay, if we add any values into the linked list, so this like it will be add the values. Okay, after that what will be the advantage? Suppose if we talk about the array, okay, suppose this one is our array, that is the array list. Suppose this one is the array list, here is the array list, and here is the another element, and here is another element. Okay, these are, this is our array list, and inside the array list we have a many numbers, like we have a 10 here, after that here we have a 20, then here suppose we have 40 here, then here we have again 40, then 30 here, sorry, 50 here, and then we have to add here 60, like that we have values here. Okay, same like that we have multiple values here. So what it will be do, suppose we have values like that 10, 40, 10, 20, 40, 40, 50, 60 and 70, like that. So suppose if I want to add any values here, suppose I want to add any values or I want to delete any values, so how we will do that? Okay, inside the array list, how we will do that, how it will be do? Okay, suppose I want to delete this number, like which one, this is the, this number I want to delete from here. Okay, I want to delete from here. So what it will be do, all the values which are present inside the array list, all the values which are present inside the array list, that will be traverse. Okay, means this value will traverse into the this one. Okay, this value will traverse into this, from this place to this one, this value will traverse from this value to this one. Okay, like that all the values will traverse. Suppose now we have a, means limited value, like 5 to 6 values we have. Suppose many times we have a lakhs value, 10 lakhs values or crore values, that time it will take lots of time. Okay, that time what it will do, it will take lots of time, because all the values will be traverse. Okay, okay, that times all the values will be traverse, so it will take lots of time. That time our process will also slow, and it will affect our performance also. So array list will, array list is means if you want for the fast execution, so array list will be not there, because array list will traverse all the things. But if we talk about the linked list, and suppose we want to add any values also, suppose here inside this one, if I want to add here the value, suppose here I want to add the 30, so what it will be do, this 40 will be transferred into the this 40, this 40 will again transfer into the place of the 50, this 50 will again transfer into the 60th position, then 60 will transfer into the 70th position, and 70 will transfer into the this position, this empty position. Means if you want to add any values or delete any values, all the elements will be traversed. But if we talk about the linked list, so what it will be do, suppose if I want any values between this one, between this one I want to add any values, so what it will do, it will remove this thing from here. Okay, it will remove this thing from here, like that. Suppose I want to add any values, so what it will do, it will remove this value, it will remove this after node also, and suppose it will remove this from previous node from here also. And what it will do, it will create a simple node here, like that. Okay, here like that it will be create a node, and inside the node it will be add value. Suppose I want to add the 40, so it will be add here 40, like that. And inside the first compartment, what it will do, it will be adding no stand node address, right, previous node address. So which is the previous node now, that is the 1002, 1002. And after that here, which is the next node address of this one, here 1003. So here simply it will add 1003. Okay, and after that inside this one also, so it will be at the node address. Suppose this node having this much address, that is the 2000. So what will we do here? It will be at 2000 because next node address we have to add, and here it will be at the previous node. So we choose the previous node now, that is the 2000. So it will be at 2000 here, and it will connect the like that. We have no space here, no, that's why I'm adding like that. Okay, it will not add like that up and down. Okay, so it will be add like that simply. It will be add like that. Okay, this like our element will be add here inside the linked list. But if you want to add inside the array list, so it will be it will take lots of time, but it will if you want to add into the linked list, so it will not take any time. Just simply we have to manage the next node address, previous node address, it will be add the value there. Okay, simply it will be add the values there. This is the big difference between the linked list and the array list. After that, if you want to see the advantage, so what is meant by what is the advantage of the linked list? So insertion and deletion operation are efficient and fast inside the linked list. Insertion and deletion operation are efficient fast. Just what we need to do, simply we have to manage the next node address and the previous node address. After that, simply we can add the node here. No towers and all will be happen here. Okay, like a array list. Okay, after that, if you see the another advantage of the linked list, so what is the another advantage? We can traverse the list in the forward and the backward direction also, because here what we have, we saw no before inside the difference, inside the array, sorry, inside the list. Okay, inside the list we have a iterator also and list iterator also. We can iterate in the forward direction also, inside the backward direction also. That's why we can traverse the list